Solar eclipses, parks on the air. What's going to happen? Stick around, let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Tim here, GraymanPOTA, amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. So I played chauffeur to my wife and kids and brought them up to northern Indiana for a chess tournament. So while I'm out, I was going to take the opportunity to find the closest park and do an activation. I'm here at Mound State Park. It's Kilo 2261, and there's also a solar eclipse going on today. Now, I'm here in Indiana, and we are out of the path of the eclipse. At best, we might see maybe some shadowing or something. But what effect is that going to have on the HF bands, while trying to operate while the solar eclipse is overhead? Now, the western part of the United States, up the Pacific Northwest, kind of at a downward angle going south through Texas, will experience the full effects of the eclipse. But here in Indiana, we won't. But we will see, or I guess in retrospect, should probably see some things go crazy with our propagation during the time. So it is kind of raining out here. I've got the antenna set up in the field. It is configured for 20 meters, and I'm just going to go ahead and set the radio up in the truck. That way I don't have to worry about trying to dive for cover if it starts raining hard. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in the truck, get the radio set up, and get on the air. All right, hopefully we've got this set up that you don't have to stare at my ugly mug during this whole thing here.
CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air from Park Kilo 2261, Mound State Park. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Number 3 Whiskey Delta, park to park.
November 9 Whiskey.
Park to park station?
November 3 Whiskey Delta.
November 3 Whiskey Delta, you're 5-9 into Park Kilo 2261.
You're 5-9 into Park Kilo 1424.
All right, I copied the 5-9 into Kilo 1424. You have a great activation at 73.
73.
CQ Parks on the air, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot.
Park to park.
Go ahead, Park to park.
This is Kilo Charlie 0, Uniform November Tango in Park State 1209. I did miss your call sign. If you can go again, you are 5-5 here in Colorado.
All right, Kilo Charlie 0, Uniform November Tango. Copied your 5-5. I didn't catch your park number. You are also 5-5 into Park Kilo 2261. And my call sign is November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot.
November 9.
All right, I copied the park number Kilo 1209. There's a little bit of QRM there. My call sign, I think you had it wrong. It's November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot NW9F. All right, Roger, Roger. You have a great activation today in 73. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ Parks on the air from Park Kilo 2261, Mound State Park. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Kilo November 4, Romeo November Oscar, park to park.
Kilo November 4, Romeo November Oscar. You are 5-9 into Park Kilo 2261, QSL.
QSL 5-9 here in Georgia. My park number is Kilo 3757, over.
All right, I copied the 5-9 into your park in Georgia, Kilo 3757, QSL.
QSL 73 and good luck.
All right, you have a great activation too in 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 3, my Sierra Victor.
The Kilo Charlie 3 Mike station.
Kilo Charlie 3, Mike Sierra Victor, over.
Was that Mike Sierra Oscar?
Mike Sierra Victor.
All right, Kilo Charlie 3, Mike Sierra Victor. You are 5'9" into the park.
Thank you. You also 5'9" in my Delta. Over.
All right, thank you for 5'9" into Maryland. You have a great afternoon in 73.
Thank you. Same to you.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
November 3, Delta Romeo Kilo.
November 3, Delta Romeo Kilo. You are 5'9" into the park today.
Roger, 5'7" in southern New Jersey.
All right, I copied the 5'7" into New Jersey. You have a great afternoon in 73.
73.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo 2, Oscar Romeo Charlie.
Kilo 2, Oscar Romeo Charlie. You are 5'9" into the park today.
USL, Tim, thank you for the 5'9". Got your 5'8", Virginia Beach, Virginia.
All right, I copied the 5'8" into Hampton Roads area. You have a great afternoon in 73.
7-3, thank you for the park.
Whiskey 7, India Hotel.
Whiskey 7, India Hotel. You are 5'5" into the park today. Whiskey 7, India Hotel.
Yeah, I lost you there for a second. You're about a 5'3" here in the Nevada Desert. We are in Grid Square, Delta Mike 29, waiting for the Eclipse.
Roger, Roger. I copied the 5'3", and you're in Grid Square Delta Mike 29. Delta Mike 29. I'm in Grid Square Echo November 70. Echo November 70.
The name here is Tim, Tango India Mike, and I am losing you. We've got QRM, and the band just suddenly is flopped. So, not sure what's going on, but we'll go ahead and say 7 threes, and we'll let you get on with your day, sir.
Roger, Roger, Tim. My name is also Tim on this side, and yeah, I'm getting a little bit of QRM, but I'm also hearing some Spanish-speaking stations too. So I'm sure propagation is shifting around. You have a great activation and enjoy the park and the Eclipse today. 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo Juliet 4, Bravo, Uniform, Quebec, C, Alpha Nancy.
Kilo Juliet 4 Bravo station.
Kilo Juliet 4, Bravo, Uniform, Quebec.
Kilo Juliet 4 Bravo Uniform, Quebec. You are 5'9" into the park today.
You're also 5'9" in North Carolina.
All right, thank you for the 5'9" in North Carolina. You have a great afternoon in 73.
73.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Whiskey Alpha 3, Nancy, Alpha Nancy.
Whiskey Alpha 3, Nancy Alpha Nancy. You are 5'9" into 2261.
Yeah, good afternoon. This is our morning yet. Still here at Greenbelt, Maryland. Fox Mike 19, WA3NN.
Was that Fox Mike 11?
Fox Mike 19.
All right, I copied the Fox Mike 19. I'm in Echo November 70.
QSL, and we're not going to see the eclipse here either. Overcast and rain, unlikely to have clear sky at all. It's Greenbelt, Maryland. WA3NN.
Roger, Roger. Actually, I'm looking forward to the 24 total eclipse. Our town, the little small town I live in here in Indiana, is going to be in the totality of it, and they're preparing for this town to go crazy, like it's a alien sighting or something.
QSL, have a good afternoon.
All right, you too. Have a great afternoon, 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Whiskey 2, Charlie, November.
Whiskey 2, Charlie, November. You are 5'9" into the park today.
Thank you. You're 5'9" here in New Jersey. Name here's Tim also, and we are at Fox Mike 29. I've got yours EN 70.
Roger, Roger, Tim. It's great to meet you. Tim here on this end. You are 5'9" into the park, and I am EN 70.
Yeah, thank you. And sounds like you're having a good time out there. Enjoy it, and maybe we'll see you in April.
All right, sounds good. You have a great afternoon in 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Whiskey 4, November Delta Kilowatt.
Whiskey 4, November Delta Kilowatt. You are 5'9" into the park today.
You're 5'9" into Echo Mike 95.
All right, I copied your Echo Mike 95. I am Echo November 70 QSL.
Echo November 70, thank you, 73.
All right, 73. Have a great afternoon. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot QRZ.
Kilo Bravo 4 Alpha Hotel India, park to park.
Kilo Bravo 4 Alpha Hotel India. You are 5-9 into Park Kilo 2261.
Roger, roger. Have you a 5-9 as well into park K2177.
All right, I copied the Park Kilo 2177. Are you doing the grid squares for the solar eclipse?
No, just doing a regular park to park.
Roger, roger. You have a great activation today in 73.
73.
All right, as you saw there, got some interesting results today. There were a few times that just all of a sudden, you know, stations that I didn't expect to hear. Some Spanish stations popped in right in the middle of the QSO. A lot of QRM. Didn't really seem reflective on the scope though. Didn't really see it in the S meter, but I definitely heard them. So some strange things that happen. But nonetheless, I did get the park activated, and that's good. I am a little bit more excited for the next total solar eclipse, which I believe is in 2024. I'm not sure what month it is, but I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description below for you to get more information. So what I'm most excited about the next total eclipse that's coming up in 2024 is that the town that I live in is going to be right in the path of the totality of the solar eclipse. So we're gonna have a complete blackout in the middle of the day. So hopefully you found this video interesting, and if you did, do me a favor and please smash the like button. If you have any questions or comments, please drop those in the comments section down below. Subscribe to the channel and share this content with your friends. And hopefully one day we'll catch you on the air. But until then, I have a video right over here that you might be interested in.